Happy New Year! I'm so glad you dropped in. Welcome to my channel. I'm Liz, and today I have an exciting video. I have been excitedly waiting to film this because I've had these two packages in my house for just a few days, but it took a lot to not open them because I did want to film to give my first impressions, because this is a splurge for me, and you know, not something that I buy all the time, but something that I've had my eye on for a while and finally took the plunge and decided to purchase it. And then, kind of like I do whenever I'm at any store, I did find something else that caught my eye. So we will see if these are both going to be huge hits for me or a miss. So if you're interested to see what I picked up, then just keep watching. Okay, so I do have two boxes. I'm not sure which is in which, but we'll just, I guess, start with the smaller one. So these did come from Spain and I was able to track them. They do have the security tape on them, which is nice when they're going through customs as well. And they do not seem tampered with or anything, which I really do appreciate. Okay, I'm having a hard time opening the box, which is a good thing that they make it very secure. Okay, here we go. Okay. There are some little cards that just tell you about their customer service, how to return if you need to. I think this is my receipt. And then my receipt, I guess this is the tag that would be on it if it was in the store. And then I'm not really sure, a little security sticker. So a couple items there. And I already saw on the receipt, so I know which one this is. And the box is so cute with these little penguins. I think they're doing some kind of maybe collab or something. I saw some of the purses that had little characters on it. I don't follow that stuff too much, so I'm not sure what that is. But the dust bag is plain. It just has the you know, logo right there, which is something I love about this brand. And are you shocked? Orange. So I did, this was the second item that I picked up, and it is the Hobo bag. So this is adjustable here, and you can tie it, I guess, however you want, or wear it a couple different ways. So mine came all the way loose, so I will mess around with that in a little bit, but let's check it out. So I did opt for the orange because if you watch my channel, I am more of a neutrals gal. I mostly wear all of the neutrals and black and white. So I like to add pops of color in a purse. And I have just found, for me, I will not wear, you know, kind of loud clothing in general, but I will pop on a little purse or some shoes or a scarf or something like that. And so that is really where I like to add my color. I just, for myself, it's just a longer term way to add color, and I'm still gonna go for a classic. And I probably love this color because of the Hermes brand. So this is their coloring, not the same brands, but it just, I guess, is synonymous with high-end luxury because of that. So that's what it is for me. So it did come with an adjustable strap as well. So you do get the two different kind. I haven't researched this bag. I don't know that much about it. I just saw it on the site and I thought it was so cute. So this is the mini Hobo. The zipper is very smooth, which is great and what I would expect. And I love a smaller bag. So inside it has a little care booklet, I think, and then just kind of the canvas lined, all open. There are no side slots or anything in there because it is a mini. But overall, just a cute, I would say minimalistic design. It feels great. It's like a pebbled leather. and it does have the logo embossed right there on one side, and then some structure on the bottom. But overall, I could see, because it is leather, I'm sure it'll soften up and just give a nice relaxed feel, and which I think is going to be perfect with this bright, vibrant color. So overall, my first impression, I love how it feels. I love the size. I love the color. So this is a huge win for me. And really excited to add this into my styles. Okay, and now for the one that I have been eyeing for quite some time and finally took the plunge on. So the other one was kind of a side purchase, and so far my first impression is really great. Now, I've never been into a store, so I bought these directly from the website. So I haven't had the opportunity to try this on. The box is so cute. So I have seen this little character. I have no idea what it is, but it's cute. But they do have this imprinted on some of the purses, and it's a little too whimsical for my style. I do think it's super cute, adorable though. I see some of the like younger girls going after these, and I think that's kind of a perfect way to encompass like different ages into a brand. So really cute. I'm glad that it's on the box at least. The boxing is really cute. The packaging. Okay, and so the same type of like canvas linen bag, and just the little logo there, and then some white drawstrings at the top. And here it is. The one that I've contemplated over for quite a while. I actually did do a lot of research on this, and really ultimately I was like, I just have to get it and touch it and feel it. So first impressions, I will say, so this is the small, this is the puzzle bag edge that I picked up, ultimately decided on. I kept going back and forth. So the original puzzle bag is put together with different pieces, but they're phasing that one out for this new kind of wrapped style. And I was in between on that, going for the older version or this newer version. And ultimately I decided on the edge because the original puzzle piece does have gaps since it is sewn together in separate pieces. So for the end look, that was kind of the most important. And then this is a pebbled leather instead of the smooth leather, which I usually opt for. I still think it looks beautiful, but it just won't scratch and show wear as easily. So I just think this kind of leather is more hardy. So this bag, if you don't know, originally came out in 2014 as like a man's duffel bag, and it just became so popular that in 2015 they started making them in different sizes for women, and then it's just taken off. So this bag has been replicated by other companies, and of course there's dupes and all kinds of things out there, but I have just really been into a different shape purse or handbag. So I have a lot of structured handbags for when, you know, I was in an office a lot more than I am now, and I absolutely think a structured handbag is timeless, and you should definitely have them in your collection For me, I do not like to have too many of the exact same style or exact same color. So this is my very first gray purse, and my first purse from Loewe. So this is the first purse that I wanted to purchase. And overall, my first impression, I have to say I love it. There are different features on the different generations that they've made. So, you know, if you are interested, definitely check out the resale market. I was really eyeing a couple on Fashion File, and they were the same price as the new one. And since this was my first time with Loewe, I thought I should go for a brand new one instead of a, secondhand one, which I'm not against. I think that's a great way to get in at a lesser price or get a model that is no longer carried. So people have differing opinions on the new Edge, and I would say I just don't, when I want a purse, I kind of don't like other colors, and I love that there is no other color. So even the edge on here is gray. The thread that they use is gray. They're both machine made, so but well made. It looks beautiful. So a lot of chit chat. I haven't done a purse video yet, so I'm sorry. This is my first time doing this kind of format, but really beautiful. So it does have this flap here, and it does have a zipper in the back. It's pretty small, but you could fit like maybe a little wallet back there or a card holder or something like that. I will say this flap, okay, so it actually doesn't, I originally thought it opens more, but it really is just a flap over the zipper. So I thought maybe you could have this as a flap. Well, actually you could. So if you left it open, it does kind of hide that the zipper's open. So that's good, because I actually am kind of bad at securing my purse always when I'm out. So that's nice if you just are using your purse and you forget to close it. The flap kind of covers it good enough. I also do know that with use, again, this is leather, it will get a little slouchy. So let's take the stuff out. And then it does have a strap. Okay, and then the little care booklet in here. And it looks like it's very easy to access. Like, you could definitely get in there very easily. It does have one side slotted pocket, which is nice. It has the canvas finish, and it just looks really well stitched. So overall, my first impressions, I love it. I am actually glad that it's all one color. That is super important to me. I think just once it's full with a little slouchy look, I would probably just leave the crossbody, because that is what I do with most of mine, is I just leave both of them on there, because I like to change out depending on what I'm doing, like in the day. So sometimes I need to be completely hands-free. Sometimes I will just carry it like this. It does have this silver hardware, which I do think matches gray better. So I think that looks beautiful. I love the zipper that it has this sticking way out, so you don't have to dig in there to get the zipper. Overall, you know, I was really afraid that, oh, did I choose the wrong size? Should I have gone for the older version? And seeing it and holding it, this is just perfect for me. I'm really happy with this. And yeah, so hopefully this was fun for you. The unboxing gave you a closer look at the purse, and of course I'll link a little bit more information about them below. If you're interested in a deeper dive on it, just let me know. Again, this is my very first I guess a luxury purse unboxing, so doing my best, but would love to hear your comments on things I should have mentioned, things you would want to know, and then of course maybe I can do an update in 3 or 6 months and let you know how I'm loving them. All right, ladies, that was my first Loewe purchase. Well, I guess, purse purchases, because I do have some other items from Loewe. But hopefully you enjoyed this. If you did, please consider giving this video a like so that YouTube will press it out to more people that it may potentially help. Also, if you own one of these, let me know down below, or if you have been considering it, I would love to know what you have and the size and how you're loving it. I thank you so much for stopping in and spending some of your time with me. I really do appreciate it. I hope that you have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you in the next one.